How to move photos from iCloud to iPhone storage. Let's get started. So, this is perfect if you want to keep your photos offline or remove from iCloud completely. Open up Settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll below, then tap on iCloud. Inside iCloud, you can simply tap on Manage Your Storage, and here you will be able to find how much storage your photos is taking in iCloud. Before downloading anything, make sure your iPhone has enough storage. Now head back to your settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage. Now check how much space you have available. If you don't have enough spaces, you will need to free up some first, otherwise the download won't work. Now go back, then tap on your name, scroll below, tap on iCloud, then tap on Photos. Inside here, you can simply select Download and Keep Original. This will download all of your photos and videos in full quality to your iPhone while still keeping them in iCloud. So you'll have a full copy on your phone and another copy stored in iCloud. If you want to remove them from iCloud, you can simply toggle off this button that says Sync this iPhone. That's it. Now this will save everything to your iPhone and remove them from the iCloud. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.